G'day guys, my name's Nick and this is my channel Low Range Nick, where I do videos about four driving, accessory fitting and maintenance for your four drive vehicle. So in today's video, it's a bit of a fun one. Got some anodized billet aluminium HPD parts for the MU-X. So a few little bits just to add to the engine, just to bling it up a bit, make it look cool, and probably add about 50 to 60 horsepower just from adding these parts. So let's get stuck into it. I'll show you these bits close up so you can have a bit of a look at how cool they are, and then we can get stuck into putting them onto the engine. So this is the HPD billet aluminium oil cap. So this is the HPD radiator supports, and this one's the HPD battery tie down clamp. So these are all billet aluminium and they're all anodized. You can get them in all different colours, so I've chosen red because that's the theme I'm going with the MU-X, is the red and silver and black and stuff. So I've chosen the red colour, but you can get them in blue, green, so many different colours. You can pretty much choose whatever you like. So let's get stuck into it, put these on the engine. So there's the red anodized oil cap. So it actually makes it a little bit easier to get the cap off because it's got all these little indents here. Actually makes it a lot easier to grip onto it. A lot easier than the factory one, at least, with just that one bit on the top. So that's pretty cool. So now let's fit the other bits. Right guys, so now it's time to get these radiator supports swapped over. So just loosen this 10mm bolt. You can pop those supports off. Then we just got to change over those little rubber grommets in there onto our new ones. So we'll pull these rubber grommets out, and then that'll go into these billet ones from HPD. Just pop the grommet in there. Get it through. There we go. So that sits in there quite nicely, and then it's direct replacement for the factory one. Put that bolt back in, and you can tighten that up. That's so cool. How much better does it look than that one? Alright, let's swap this one over too. I'm excited about this. Something about simple little jobs that you can do to the engine at home just to make it look that little bit better, or just improve little things. It's the little things that count and make your vehicle different to everyone else's. So another HPD billet alloy radiator tie down here. Just get this grommet through. There we go. And then just replace that one there. Oh, it's nice when it all fits perfectly as well. Everything lines up correctly. It's nice when it's easy. Just tighten that down. There we go. We can get rid of these ones. How much cooler does that look? Yes. Oh, that's so good. Alright, so now time for the battery tie down. Alright, now it's time to rip off this battery tie down clamp. There's a couple of 12mm bolts here you've got to get rid of. Just loosen those off and take them out. There's one of those battery tie down bolts, and another one over here. We should be able to pop that bracket out. Just take the wiring off and then it comes straight out. There we go. Just pop this wiring off. You just pop the clips up and then pull the wiring off. And this bracket should come off. Get rid of that. And then the clamp goes across the battery, like so. There we go. And we can get our factory bolts, put them through there, line them up down the bottom. How cool does that look? Gotta love anodized bits and pieces. So cool. Alright, tighten these down a bit. Nice. Perfect. It's nice and secure. Get rid of these bolts. Look at that. How good does that look? Might just take this little clip off here. Okay. And this one as well. Okay. Now I'll just zip tie this wiring down here to secure it. And then we're all done. So there you go guys, I've fitted the anodized bits to the engine bay and I think it makes it look really cool. Definitely jazzes the engine bay up that little bit. There's quite a few other bits and pieces you can get as well from HPD for the 4JJ1. So you can get like brake fluid cap covers, you can get radiator cap covers. They do a whole kit as well if you want to buy the whole lot together. And it really dresses up the engine. Makes it look pretty cool, and I think it adds like 50 to 60 horsepower just adding these bits, so you might try this as a small performance mod. Okay guys, so I've finished fitting the HPD Bling parts to the engine, so all the anodized bits. So you can get these anodized pieces in pretty much any different colour of the rainbow. You can pretty much take your pick. So if you want to get some of these Bling parts for your MU-X or D-max, or even Colorado and the older D-maxes, just jump onto the Facebook page 4JJ1 Bling parts. So I'll link it down in the comments below and pin it so you guys can find the Facebook page, and have a chat to Craig from 4JJ Bling parts. He imports them from Thailand, so he can basically get you full dress-up kits for your engine bay. He can get you rocker covers, intake pipes, all that sort of thing from Thailand. So I'll link it down in the description. Just let him know I sent you, and he'll be able to sort you out whatever you need for your engine bay. So it's pretty cool. It definitely makes the engine bay look a lot different and unique, so you can sort of tailor it to how you like it, or the colour theme you're going for, or anything like that. So it's pretty cool. Individualises your engine bay and your vehicle a bit. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned for more full driving and accessory fitting videos. Cheers guys.